Okay, guys, welcome back. This is week 3. This is the Cold War Part 1. The Cold War is between the years of 1945 and 1990. Since it's so long, we're going to have to split it up into 2 weeks. So week 3 will be the Cold War Part 1. Week 4 will be the Cold War Part 2. So this week, you guys have a few assignments for me to do. The first one that we're going to look at, it's an oversimplified video series. They're like 15 minutes long. There's 2 of them, so a half an hour. Pretty funny though, not gonna lie. So you're just gonna watch that, and the question is basically really easy. It's just what new information did you learn from watching them? Okay. Again, this is going to be 100 words minimum, but for this assignment, you do not need to respond to somebody. So just get your 100 words down on what you learned, what you kind of gained from it, and then submit it. And your second assignment is we're actually looking at one specific piece of the Cold War, and that is the space race. Okay, and the question for you guys is, who won the space race? Was it the Soviet Union or was it the Americans? Okay, was it us? Now, this assignment, I have a video on there. It's like 4 minutes long, and then I obviously have a link to the online article from the History Channel. So read that, watch the video before answering, and obviously go through our lecture notes. That's like an assumption. I'm assuming you're doing that because I give some information out on the space race in our lecture as well. All right. Now for this assignment, it's 100 words minimum on your answer. Who won the space race? After you have submitted your response, make sure you have to respond to one other classmate's post. Okay. So you'll have your initial response, which is 100 words minimum. And then you'll have your comment or your post on another student's response. And that response only has to be 25 words minimum. So you get 10 points for your initial response, the 100-word response, and then you get 5 points for your response on another student, which makes that assignment 15 points total. So we have 15 points for the who won the space race question, and we have 10 points for what new information did you learn from the oversimplified series, which brings us to 25 points total this week. Nothing crazy. But that's kind of the breakdown of the week. Watch our online lecture first, then you can answer the questions. Obviously, before you answer the questions, make sure you watch the videos and read the article links. It'll make your world so much easier. With each question, obviously provide the why. Provide the reasons why you think who won the space race. Give me examples. Obviously lay out your argument. You're not wrong. It's an opinion-based question for both of them, basically. As long as you can provide me with evidence or reasons why you chose each side, you'll get all the points, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, as always, just email me. I'll be ready to respond. I'll be logged in, ready to go, 8 to 3 every day. Besides that, that's all I got. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully be seeing you soon.